Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Snooping Minds. In today's video we are going to learn how to set path in Java. Okay, how to set path setting in Java and Windows. Okay, don't worry about the OS. Generally in every OS, including Windows 7, 8 and 10, the command and the path setting process is overall same. Okay, so don't worry about it. So let's start. So first of all we need to check that either Java is installed or not on this PC. Okay, to check it I'll go to here and local disk C program files, and here it is. Okay, so here I have Java installed on my PC, which is JDK 1.8. 1.8 is installed in my PC. So let's check path is either already set or not. So to check that I'll go to command prompt, I'll open it and type the following command, which is java c. If the path is set, then it will show me a whole list of java functions by this command, but it's not showing anything, so it concludes that path is not set. Okay, so let's move forward. There are two ways to set path in Java. First one is the temporary path setting. As it's clear by the name, the path is temporary. After closing the CMD or the editor, the path will be removed and we have to set it again. And the other one is permanent. So let's move forward by setting a temporary path. Okay, so to set a temporary path we need to type a very simple command. So the command was set path is equal to, no any space should be given, and then I have to paste the directory, bin directly, which is here. Open it and then open the bin folder, and now I have to copy the path of the bin directory. Okay, right click, copy, where it is, C program files, inside Java, inside JDK folder, JDK 1.8 folder, inside bin I have to copy the path of this directory, bin directory, and then I just have to paste it here and then press enter. Now the path is set temporarily, and now for checking it I have to run the following command again, which was java c. As you can see, it has displayed me a whole list of functions of java c. So this indicates that path is temporarily set. But if I'll exit from here and then I'll reopen cmd command prompt and then I'll run the command java c, it won't work because the path was temporarily set. So now we need a permanent solution to permanently set the path, by which we don't have to bother setting the path again and again. Okay, so the next method is setting the path permanently. So play close attention. It's also very simple. We need to follow very simple steps. Okay, so right click on my computer properties. Here there is an option which is called advanced system settings. Click on it. Then here a tab called environment variables. Click on it. Now a dialog box will open which will show you these things. So we have to click on new, and now in the variable name just put path or java path or anything, and here you have again to put the directory, the path of the bin directory. So copy it again from here and just put it here, Control V and press OK. Now let's check it once again. Here it is cmd. I have to type java c. So it's not working. Let's exit from here and then reopen the cmd. First further open cmd, then type java c and press enter. So now it shows a whole list of commands, and even if I exit from here and then I'll open it again, then it will not forget the path. Again I'll type the command java c. Now as you can see, it remembered the path, so it indicates that we have set the path permanently and this method worked. Okay, so let's check it through a example file which I made here. Here it is, hello.java. I already made. So let's run it, compile and run it from the CMD. So again I'll open CMD. The file is on desktop. Java C is a compilation command. So hello dot java. So it indicates that the file isn't compiled. Now I just have to run it. Java hello. So as you can see, we have set the path and it is working very correctly. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stick with me for further updates and more knowledgeable videos. Thank you for watching.